You are going to love 2012 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.